It is given that the curve y equal to x times 4 minus x to the power 3 with a gradient for function of 4 times 1 minus x, 4 minus x squared have two stationary points P and Q. Determine the nature of the stationary point Q by using tangent sketching method. So we want the Q only. Okay. So this gradient function is actually dy dx. So what we need to do is we need to build a table. Okay. And this table we have three parts. Okay. So three parts. So this one x equal to 4. Then right after 4 is 4.01 and before will be 3.99. Okay. And then we find the value of dy dx. So we find the value of dy dx. So we have the 4 times 4 no 4 times 1 minus, so 4 times 1 minus 4, and then the 4 minus 4 square, then this is 0, and then 4.01, and this will be 4 minus 4.01, this is negative. If we have 3.99, and then 4 minus 3.99, this. Okay, so the shape will be downward, horizontal, downward. Okay, so combine together, so the shape is like this. So the 40 here is a point of inflexion. So Q is inflexion point. Okay, so in Malay it is titik lengkok balas. Okay, so for P, so this one is Q. Q is 40. P is 127. P is 127. So we have x equal to 1. Okay, so x equal to 1. This is the part of x. Then we have the 1.01, 0.99. Then we have the dy dx. So we have the 1 minus 1, and then 4 minus 1, then is 0. And then 1.01 and 1.01, then this is negative. And we have the 0.99, 0.99, and then this is 0.99, then this is positive. So upward and then horizontal, downward. So the point P will be maximum. P is maximum point. Okay. The graph is x times 4 minus x to the power of 3. If we use decimals, then we have the x times 4 minus x to the power of 3. So the shape is like this. This is how the shape look like. Okay, so we have -1 until 10. Okay, yes. So from here we can see that the this one is the maximum. So we have this P is the maximum, and then the Q is the inflection point. So this is P and it is max. This is Q. This is inflection point. Inflection point. Okay, done.